slash, smash, stab.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
Smash, smash, smash.
A violent raking. You turn your whole body. So there's there, your body. See how you drag forward? You gotta come half circle. I lock this in. Look at that. See how I'm turning my body? That leg drags out to the side a bit because you're raking right through. Now, once that comes through, your hand is down by your hip. Turn it over. Okay, so watch in the front. 1, 2, 3. Turns over. Switch. Left leg comes forward. And I'm going to do a watik smash. Pull in, stab. 1, 2, 3 smashes. Slash. Smash. Stab. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Slash. Smash. Stab. 1, 2, 3. Slash. Smash. Stab. 1, 2, 3. Slash. Smash. Stab. 1, 2, 3. Slash. Smash.